Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Circle K Careers account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser. And now, if you haven't already signed up to work with Circle K, you will need to look for a position from workwithus.circlek.com. Once you visit this website, you will be able to browse through various different jobs and apply accordingly based on the kind of job that you are looking for. If you are already an employee, then in order to log into your account, type in circlek.com/user/login in the URL box and press enter. This will then open up the login portal. Just type in the username that you have set up with your Circle K account, followed by your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Circle K account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Contact Us button at the top right corner and fill up the form to submit a request, letting them know that you have forgotten your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Circle K Careers account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.